Installing FTL9 on a USB drive in Windows 10. We'll show you how to do it in this very short video. One-time installation of X-Plane Fly2Learn in Windows 10 involves these steps. Insert the Fly2Learn flash drive on your computer. Use Finder to locate the USB drive. Copy the xplane9.iso file from the drive to the desktop. Double-click the xplane9 icon to mount the drive. Copy the Fly2Learn folder from the mounted drive to the desktop. The mounted drive is what you just freshly created. Launch xplane9 from the Fly2Learn folder, not the mounted drive. Let's go a little more detail. If you have Windows 7 or an older version, you'll need software to mount a drive. Please watch the other Windows installation video to see how. You'll find that video at Fly2Learn under Resources. So, insert the flash drive. Select File Explorer, look at the USB drive. You should see a README file and xplane9 file. Double-click the xplane9 to mount the file. Or double-click xplane9 to mount the file, or click on your right mouse button and select Mount. After the file is mounted, folder xplane Fly2Learn appears. After the file is mounted and the folder xplane Fly2Learn appears, copy the xplane Fly2Learn folder to the desktop. Once you've copied it to the desktop, you are going to select Xplane, which is going to pop up right there. Double-click Xplane, and now it starts. xplane9 takes flight. Sorry for the pun. If you have any questions, please email tom.fly2learn@gmail.com. I'm a school teacher yourself, so I will try to get right back to you because I know it's important for the class. Please do not ask Lamar Research for support. Instead, reach out to me. I'll get you a solution much quicker that way. Thank you.